How to fix ChatGPT payment declined or failed. Are you getting a payment declined or payment failed error on ChatGPT? Try these steps. First, if you're subscribing through a computer, try checking whether the subscription option is available through the ChatGPT mobile app. If you're using the website, make sure your browser's site data isn't causing an issue. Clear the ChatGPT site data and cookies, then close and reopen your browser. Also, disable any active VPN and make sure your computer's date, time, and time zone are set automatically. Then try the payment again. If the payment is still declined, check with your bank or card provider to make sure online and international transactions are enabled for your card. Make sure your payment method is supported and that your billing information matches the information associated with your card. If available, you can also try another supported payment method or a different card. Finally, if the problem continues, contact your bank or OpenAI support to find out why the transaction is being declined. And that's how to troubleshoot a ChatGPT payment failed or declined issue. If this guide helped, please like, share, and subscribe for more ChatGPT tips and tutorials.